Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you some cards that I made from the Loving Life kit from the Stamps of Life. It was our kit from January, and these are the cards I've assembled so far. I've made this shaker and I've added the shaker bits. They're from the Stamps of Life shaker bits. I want to say they're like icicle or wind. Let me go. Winter Wishes. So I put some Winter Wishes. And so you can see the shaker pieces. I also added some of the die cuts on the inside too, and they are stationary. And then I added some of them around on the outside. As always, my cards are blank and I have my stamp on the back. And here's just another one using some of the strips that come off when I'm breaking the kit down. If you have not seen how I break my kit down, I did a video. I will leave it here so you can check it out. So I have made some other cards. The fronts are ready to adhere to the base, and so that's what I'll be doing. I'll play you some music and speed this along, and I'll be back at the end. Okay, so I got 15 cards that I made from this kit this month. I do have extras. This was the kit that came with a 6x9 pad instead of the normal 6x6 size that comes every month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you're returning, shakas. Thank you again for stopping by as well. Please consider liking and subscribing and sharing this video with a crafty friend. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!